No clear direction in markets today, with bulls and bears fighting for control. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for June 18th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.15, losing 0.72% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. The move in the dollar reflects reports that monetary policy decisions European Central Bank. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.33, losing 0.84% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. Currency markets are reacting to Indonesia risks losing emerging market status, jeopardizing billions in investment. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 160.59, gaining 0.11% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. USD SGD is trading at 0.7771, losing 0.35% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold and silver rally after Iran-US deal, but face headwinds from rate hike expectations, Herius, Kitco. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.7036, losing 0.42% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. The move in the dollar reflects reports that monetary policy decisions European Central Bank. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1479, losing 0.05% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. Currency markets are reacting to Indonesia risks losing emerging market status, jeopardizing billions in investment. US dollar to Indian rupee is trading at 94.44, losing 0.48% on the session. The Indian rupee tracks RBI monetary policy, FII and FPI capital flows, and US-India interest rate differentials. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that stock market today. Dow soars 900 points as Trump axes attack plans. Caterpillar, space names rally, investors business daily. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that what does 2026 hold for your investments in gold, silver ETFs NDTV profit. The move in the dollar reflects reports that monetary policy decisions European Central Bank. Currency markets are reacting to Indonesia risks losing emerging market status, jeopardizing billions in investment. Our near-term view on pound sterling to US dollar. With pound sterling to US dollar moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $1.36 level above and $1.30 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.